BRIO train. It's all taken apart now. This is the frame where a little plastic conductor can sit here, and that just clips on. And this was an injection molded plastic piece. Don't see any ABS marks, but I think this is made of ABS plastic. So this was a low cost or an expensive way to do this. Made the mold for the 3 buttons, push, and that triggers this integrated circuit. And if you want the train to stop, you trigger the middle button. Want the train to go to this way, to the right, click this button, and that triggers this. Click this, triggers that, and goes to the left. And this is where power comes in from the battery. It's a two AAA batteries. I think they're AAA. And this integrated circuit has H bridges, 2 of them. This one is for this one, for this button, and this one is for this button. They invert polarity in the circuit, or maybe some motor controller. I think they can be H bridge, and the diode to control the position. This is a thermistor, I think. Don't know, because this doesn't sense temperature. There's a cable that's a bit loosened here. This cable is a bit loosened, and this cable has been loosened, I think, but it's not completely loosened, because that's not the problem, I think. On the back, there's the more, and this says M, that is the motor. And here are some other parts, like the thing where you tap the thing of the batteries here. And this is a decoration piece that fits in here. And this is the screwdriver we used to open these triangular screwdrivers. These are triangular, and we had to open it with a bit of force, pushing the screwdrivers on. And these are more, and these let you see the motor on the other side. And this is the stop button, right button, left button. And I think these are capacitors to filter a bit the output. It says 1 ampere. I think that's a fuse. Capacitor 5, capacitor 3. And that's a resistor. I think it's, I don't know, G1. Don't know what's a G1, but these are more capacitors. And what's that? Don't know what's that. And this is where the power comes in, where that power goes to the motor. And this family that doesn't. You see the gear gyrating on the motor there. The gear is gyrating when I move it. And this was a BRIO train written here. And we opened it because it didn't work anymore. And we taped it in a box that I think was unsafe, and that broke this cable or the fuse. It says that the multimeter says it has continuity, so it's not the fuse. Maybe these buttons, this button, we tested it and that connected when we pressed. I think these H bridges or diodes blew out, something like that. And that is it for the train. This is a bit complex train. That's why it's taken me like 5 minutes to do this. And that's the teardown of it. These are not triangular screws. They are to make this not move. And that's it.